Welcome to Basically Biology for National 5 in Scotland. In this video we'll be exploring the ultrastructure of the plant cell, what it looks like and how its key components function. By the end you should be able to label and explain the structure of a plant cell confidently. Let's get started. Now a plant cell is a basic unit for life in plants, just like animal cells are for animals. While plant cells share many structures with animal cells, they also have unique features that allow them to make their own food and maintain their structure. We'll begin by looking at the general ultrastructure before diving down into the key components. First off, recognizing it by its shape, plant cells are box-like, and this is a key indication for identifying them. Now the nucleus is the control center. It is where the genetic material is stored that instructs the cell on how to function and grow. This is where the DNA is. It's also responsible for cell division and making sure that the right proteins are made. This controls our cell activities. Next we have the gatekeeper, the cell membrane. The cell membrane is selectively permeable. That means it won't just let anything pass through. The cell membrane controls what materials enter and exit the cell, allowing important substances like oxygen and nutrients in, whilst removing harmful substances such as carbon dioxide and waste products. The next structure is the mitochondria. It is the powerhouse of the cell. Now mitochondria are the sites of aerobic respiration, where energy is produced in the form of ATP. They provide the energy needed for the cell to carry out its functions, such as growth and repair. Mitochondria are essential for the cells in terms of their movement and their energy. Ribosomes are the protein factories. This is where proteins are made in a process called protein synthesis. A ribosome is the site of protein synthesis. Proteins are essential for building cell structures and carrying out functions like enzyme activity. Next we have the cell wall. Now a unique feature of plant cells is that the cell wall is made of cellulose. That is a tough material that prevents the cell from bursting when it absorbs water. They also provide support and protection. Next we have a chloroplast. A chloroplast are found in green plant cells. That means there are plant cells that will not have chloroplasts, such as those found in the roots. Now the green comes from the chlorophyll, which is a green pigment that captures the sunlight for photosynthesis. It allows the plants to produce their own food. Finally, we have the vacuole. Now the vacuole is a membrane-bound sac in the center of the cell where water and nutrients and things are stored. It is a form of cell sap. Now, these structures, like the animal cell, you should be able to redraw from memory, including their functions. If you are capable of that, then you are well on your way to achieving National 5 biology. We'll be moving on to the next cells. See you there.